Under the boundless azure sky, a tale unfolds. A black Labrador, Midnight by name, and a white Labrador, Luna, set off on a day's adventure. Over the undulating hills they journey, their paws dancing a delicate ballet over a carpet of wildflowers. Sunlight streaming through the emerald leaves in dappled patterns. Their path, a meandering ribbon, winds through ancient woods. Their laughter, the only sound, breaking the serene silence, echoing through time-worn trunks. As the day draws to a close, they arrive at a cliff's edge, their eyes wide with wonder at the sunset's fiery embrace.